This video introduces Module 2, and it also contains a video paper prompt for the paper in this module. In this particular module, you will need to work through the readings, and there is a lot of reading in this module. And it's difficult reading that will introduce you to a number of concepts you're not familiar with. There are 20 key concepts that I want you to understand and to be able to discuss intelligently. Also, you will be meeting with your design team and thinking through the concepts that have been communicated in the previous module along with what you're learning in this module. However, when you are writing the paper, specifically, you are only writing on your own particular problem and writing specifically to demonstrate how each one of these 20 main concepts apply to the problem that you are dealing with. Now, this is going to be a very difficult exercise unless you begin the module thinking through to the end of the module where you're going to write this paper where you explain how your problem relates to these 20 concepts. If you just go through the material and then cram your knowledge of the 20 concepts at the end and then try to write the paper, you will be incredibly frustrated and very stressed. So approach the class with this goal in mind. As you're meeting with your various design team members, keep in mind that you are responsible for the use of that time. So you need to prep them and lead them toward thinking through your particular problem that you're wrestling with. They have a common vocabulary with you, they're reading the same books, but you have to prep them so that they know what they need to know to help you. Be very careful in your use of time. And from the video that you leave, and also their own commentary, which will be public in our video blog session, and I will comment publicly if I think that something isn't working right or that you're not getting something. I will just let you know publicly where everybody else can see that this is not going well. Just make sure that you keep that discourse open, but that you take individual responsibility for making sure that your team operates well according to the principles that you're learning in the class. So, approach the module with a goal, working through the exercises toward this paper where you're illuminating your complex problem with these 20 principles. That's what I want to see. And I've simplified the amount of work in this module around a few key exercises because I know that you're having to develop a new kind of creative way of thinking. And I want you to have the freedom to do that, but as I say that, at the same time, I'm strongly encouraging you not to procrastinate. The first module is very important, but this module is critical. If you don't do this well, you won't succeed at the rest of the course. And it just will be very tiring for you and stressful. So approach this with a clear goal, push yourself through the exercises to the end of writing this paper, but plan to the end of the module as you begin the first exercise, even read the prompt then, so that you can be thinking through how do I use all of this to be able to come to the end where I can write this paper, where I can apply all these principles and illumine the problem that I'm wrestling with these 20 principles. That's what I'm looking for, and best of luck in this module.